If you have watched my vlog about Stockholm, I have mentioned about a boat sightseeing tour in that, so I'm gonna tell you more about it in this video. When in Stockholm, one must take this boat sightseeing tour to see the beauty of the city from water. Basically, there are different boat tours with different packages and time durations. I like the boat tour called Under the Bridges of Stockholm, and it literally passes through 12 bridges with absolutely stunning views. This boat tour costed me 261 Swedish krona, which is approximately 25 euros. Sometimes the prices are up to 30 euros and it depends on the seasons. You can book it online from stroma.com website or buy the tickets at the port. Sometimes you have to wait in the long queues, so better to pre-book them. If you are getting this tour, I would highly recommend arriving at least half an hour prior to the departure time and get a window seat or the deck area. I like sitting in the open area, so I was on the stern of the boat. Kungliga Biblioteket or National Library of Sweden is responsible for collecting everything that is printed in Sweden. It also has an interesting and largest illuminated manuscript in the world, known as Codex Gigas. It also called as Devil's Bible because it has a very unusual portrait of Devil and it's very huge. Codex Gigas was created in Czech Republic, but during the 30 Years' War, it has been taken as booty from Prague by Swedish Army and ever since it belonged to library's collection. Nordiska Museet or Nordic Museum is dedicated to the cultural history and ethnography of Sweden. It is located on an island called Djurgården in Stockholm.
The Vasa Museet or Vasa Museum is a maritime museum in Stockholm. It is the most visited museum in Scandinavia. It has the world's only preserved 17th century ship and it's located on the island of Djurgården.
This boat tour is 2 hours and 15 minutes long, but you will definitely enjoy the beauty of the city from the water.
You can also see some rock climbers along the way. Stockholm's architecture is also famous for its beautiful houses. It has big balconies for a lot of fresh air and light.
I took the last cruise of the evening. Temperature was lovely and the views were great for pictures and videos. This boat tour is audio guided and it's available in 9 languages: Swedish, English, Finnish, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian and Japanese. And the headphones are provided in the boat. There is a bar on board as well as toilet facilities. You can buy Swedish fika, which is basically coffee and cinnamon roll, from the onboard cafe bar. Have a Danish pastry or coffee and sit back and relax. They also offer tea, soft drinks, pastries, beer, wine, sandwiches and snacks. This audio guided tour helped me to get to know Stockholm, its history, and the culture. This tour takes you through many popular sites and different parts of Stockholm. Some of the bridges I remember are Skeppsbron next to Skeppsholmen. Skeppsholmen is an island known for its peaceful vibe and cultural attraction, including the Moderna Museet, which exhibits works of Picasso, and the Ostasiatiska Museet with traditional Asian art. Another bridge was Skanstullsbron, which is a link to Södermalm Island. It has a relaxed, creative vibe with artistry shops, cafes, and classical Swedish restaurants. It also has Fotografiska Museet, which is a contemporary photo gallery in a former industrial building by the water. You will also pass by Esengälenden, which is Sweden's busiest road. You will see the inner city, old town, Lilla and Strota Esingen, and the green parks of Djurgården. You will also pass through the logs, which is connecting Lake Mälaren to the Baltic Sea. This boat tour is a perfect sightseeing tour where you get to see a beautiful city of Stockholm from the water. When I see this video, I still feel the breeze of this beautiful day. If I visit Stockholm again, I'm definitely gonna take this refreshing boat tour.
If you're planning your trip to Stockholm, do book this boat tour in advance. You can check other boat tours as well. Also, you can travel to Stockholm Archipelago by cruise. I had very less time, so I couldn't travel there. But I have been to Gothenburg Archipelago and the video will be out soon. Stay tuned for more videos. Please hit that like button and subscribe to My Lines and the World Map. Thank you and I wish you a wonderful day.